Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error. How to fix this type of error. Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, sometime when you plugged in an external hard drive, USB flash drive, SD card or some other storage devices into your computer, run Windows 10, 8, 7 or some other previous versions, Windows promotes error message that the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. First of all, going to your search engine and type in the search box command prompt. After opening it, type chkdsk space / and after that type name of the partition name like F or further space D and dot columns. After doing that, simply click on enter button. Now all your problems is all the files is read it, and after doing this your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.